Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to fix YouTube app not working. So if the YouTube app is not working or it will not open on your phone, there is some reasons for that to happen. So the first thing that you should do is to force stop the app and open it again. So if the app is just opened like that, you have to swipe up and close it and try to open it again. So probably it will work. And the second thing is that you should go and check the updates. Check if there is update for YouTube, type YouTube, because sometimes there is some errors in some versions of the app. For example, I need to do an update, but I will not do it now. But if you see that update icon, just click on it and the app will update. The third reason for that to happen is that the storage of your phone is full. So sometimes when the storage is full, the YouTube app don't open. And to check the storage of your phone, you have to go to settings, and after that go to general, and after that go to iPhone storage and check. For example, for me, there is no problems related to storage. I have almost 45 gigabytes available. And another reason for that to happen is that the preference of your app have changed, or maybe you changed some settings. And in that case, the best thing that you can do is to delete the app from your phone and install it again. And to delete the app, you have to long press on it and click remove app and click after that delete app. And after that, install the app again. And maybe 99% of cases, one of these solutions will work for you and the YouTube app will work again for you. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.